Give your partner a kiss. Then let's get with the deep water twist. Halfway around, we're gonna mix it up. Meet your partner to an elbow twist. Then it's the same way back on the same old track. When you get home, swing your own. And ladies, lead your man out into the center. Then mix it up with your sizes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Circle of 4 on the side of the floor. It's Alvin left to your corners.
Look at that.
Come on home and swing your own.
Oh man, you used to get a stiff in the heels when you did that.
And couple, circle the ring, go form a line of 4. Nice, your couples go right and left through. It's a first form line. Then right and left through behind the line. Form all back, right in time. But we've done it all day, so guys, push those heads right out. Side 2 couples go right and left through. And couple, head for home. Side 2 couples do the same. And when everyone's home, all 4 couples swing.
Oh, they put the wheels very tight. Yeah.
Now head space. It's head space transfer. Jack's turning in for a right-hand star. Halfway around the other way back, you've got your own now. Take her on home. Now move from couple to single file. Keep on rolling, right in style. His knees roll away with a half sachet. Then leaves roll away because we love to play. Now, gents, you've got a brand new lady. Take her on home where it's nice and shady. And ladies, straight across. And side, ladies, straight across. Head on home and find your own, and all four couples swing. It's Alan and Lavender corner. And right to your home for the T-Spotter twist. When you get home, swing your own. And all falling
Yeah, I see
for
him.
center hole. Ladies and gentlemen, there's the first set of Team Farm Ball. Very set, boys.
Out this way. Look at that.
Alright, now don't go anywhere, ladies and gentlemen. We still have two more sets coming up. But I just want to take a second and point you to the east and see the Snowbirds doing one more formation for us. They're going to be performing right here at the match Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at 12 noon. So please come back and enjoy them. But I think we're just as good. So, let's keep going with Team Farm Ball. I'm going to introduce you to members of Team Farm Ball. We all hail from the Deepwater area. Driving our first couple in orange, we have Doug Ireland and Georgette Fisher.